Vaseline beauty hacks. 1. Keep perfume from fading. Rub Vaseline on your wrists and behind your ears to make your perfume last longer. 2. Soothe dry heels. Summer sandals plus the sun and sand can make the skin on your feet super dry and flaky. Spread Vaseline on your feet before you go to bed and cover with fuzzy socks. You'll wake up with soft skin that will look and feel like you got a pedicure. 3. Remove eyelash glue. Rocking faux lashes for a big event? It can be tricky to get them off without pulling out your natural lashes, too. Rub a bit of Vaseline on your lash line and the falsies will come off much easier. 4. Perfect your mani. Line your nails with Vaseline before you paint them. The jelly will keep polish from spreading outside your nail. 5. Make your legs glow. Mix Vaseline with your fave liquid bronzer. Spread the formula on your legs for a shiny, glow-eye look. 6. Get thicker looking lashes. You don't even need mascara to get lush lashes. Apply a little Vaseline to your lash line for a shiny, voluminous look. 7. Keep nail polish lids from drying shut. Spread Vaseline around the inside of the polish lid for super easy opening next time you use it. 8. Put pierced earrings in more easily. You know how when you haven't worn earrings for a while, it can be hard to get them through the hole? Sometimes, it hurts. Rub Vaseline on your lobes, and you'll have a much easier time. 9. Hide split ends. If your hair looks totally fried, rub a little Vaseline through your ends. You can fake smooth ends until you get a haircut. 10. DIY a lip stain. Mix a packet of Kool-Aid, like cherry, with a tablespoon of Vaseline. When you apply it to your lips, the balm will give you a red lip that lasts. 11. Protect your skin from hair dye. If you're coloring your hair from a box, it's easy to get dye on your forehead or around your ears. Vaseline blocks the color from seeping into your skin, so apply a little around your hairline first. 12. Tame your brows. Keep unruly eyebrows in place by smoothing Vaseline over your arches. They won't move all day long. 13. Highlight your eyelids and cheeks. Using a bit of Vaseline is a super affordable way to get the dewy look when you don't have highlighter handy. Dab it on your brow bones, lids, or the apples of your cheeks. Protect hair from heat tools. Apply petroleum jelly onto hair before blow drying or using other hot hair tools. This step helps prevent the hair from getting dry or rough. Soothe razor bumps. Since Vaseline helps with many skin irritations, it can be used to alleviate razor bumps from shaving. Simply rub the jelly onto the area for relief. Avoid scars. A little petroleum jelly on injuries will also help prevent scars from occurring. Apply the Vaseline during healing. Protect scabs. If an injury is scabbing over, put some Vaseline over the scab to help safeguard it. The jelly will help the scab heal faster by adding a protective layer. Relieve itchy skin. Since Vaseline helps moisturize skin, it works great for itchy spots. If you have an area of itchy skin, especially after shaving, rub on some petroleum jelly to help the itch go away. Remove jewelry. We all know slipping off a ring or tight bracelet can be difficult when bloated. Easily slip off your jewelry by applying a dab of Vaseline onto the area. Soothe bug bites. Apply petroleum jelly onto bug bites, mosquito, wasp, ant, and more, to help relieve the itchiness. The moisturizing effect of Vaseline will help reduce the itchy feeling and help you scratch less. Heal minor cuts and injuries. Apply petroleum jelly to minor injuries, like small cuts or burns, to help them heal faster. The Vaseline will create a waterproof layer on your skin to help protect it as it heals. Moisturize under the eyes. If you're out of eye cream, add Vaseline petroleum jelly under your eyes before going to bed. The moisture locks in while sleeping, and you'll wake up with a refreshed look. Ease sore noses. When you have a runny nose from allergies, a cold, or the flu, it can become raw and red. A little Vaseline around the nostrils can help add moisture and soothe the soreness. Prevent skin chafing. Add a thin layer of petroleum jelly on your inner thighs to avoid irritation from the legs rubbing together. This works great when wearing a skirt or dress on hot days and during intense workouts. Create a glittery look. For a fun night out or day festival, spread Vaseline onto your skin, then add glitter. You'll have a festive, sparkly look. Soothe cracked heels. Vaseline is a true foot saver. If your feet are blistered or looking dry and flaky, spread some petroleum jelly on your heels before bed and cover them with fuzzy socks. You'll wake up with baby soft skin come morning. Remove eye makeup. If you don't have any makeup remover, massage some Vaseline onto your lids and wipe it away using a cotton pad. Your eye makeup should easily come off. Help perfume last. If you have a perfume that fades a bit too quickly, try this trick. Moisturized skin holds scents better, so rub Vaseline on your pulse points, wrists, inner elbows, back of the knees, and neck before you spritz. The petroleum jelly base will help your fragrance last longer. Prevent nail polish bottles from drying shut. If you've ever had a nail polish bottle for over a year, like all of us, you'll know the struggle of the lid drying shut. After use, spread some Vaseline around the inside of the polish lid for effortless opening the next time you use it. Use as lash serum. For longer lashes, coat them with a little Vaseline every morning instead of mascara. This will give you a defined, glossy finish, perfect for a no-makeup makeup look. Leave lashes conditioned. Convert powder makeup into cream. A smidge of Vaseline is a genius way to transform matte or powder makeup products into cream formulas. Mix loose pigments with the jelly to create custom cream eyeshadow, blush, or lip balm. Use as a cheek highlighter. No highlighter? No problem. Dab some Vaseline on the tops of your cheekbones to create a dewy, luminous glow. Help damaged hair ends. Hair ends are most susceptible to drying out due to environmental stressors and heat damage. Rub Vaseline on the ends as a leave-in conditioner to smooth down flyaway, reduce the appearance of split ends, and inject extra moisture and shine. Create a barrier against skin stains. One of the worst parts about an at-home hair or nail color is the mess it leaves behind on your skin. A light coating of petroleum jelly around your hairline or cuticles will keep dye and polish off the surrounding skin.